Hi and welcome back to another video. Before we begin this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get further notified in future. So the title suggests that this video is going to be about the small review on MYNT3D Professional Printing Pen with its best ergonomics. As far as my experience is concerned with this 3D pen, I personally find it extremely satisfying and easy to use. 3D pen are supposed to be lightweight in order to ensure proper ergonomics and easy using experience. You do not want a 3D pen that is heavy and cannot be used properly because of that. As far as ergonomics are concerned, this pen is not easy to beat thanks to the lightweight and the solid construction, as well as the shape of the pen itself. The pen also comes with a small OLED screen that displays various modes that you might want to use on the 3D pen, while most users might consider this as a gimmick and nothing more. I think it is a nice addition and should make its way more into 3D pens in the future. The pen also allows you to adjust the speed as well as the temperature to ensure proper control over how the plastic is melted. The nozzle can easily be removed to ensure that you can clean it after a thorough use. The difficulty behind nozzle remover is something that plagues many 3D pens. Luckily, the issue is not here on MYNT 3D pen because the nozzle can detach for those who are looking to clean the pen itself. I should mention that 3D pen supports both PLA and ABS plastic filaments. These filaments can be found in the variety of colors in the market, and even some textured material one if you want to extra flair. As far as the user experience is concerned, the learning curve is currently here, but practice can be made to adapt it into no more time. The issue that I have come, it is in the instruction material that comes with the pen is vague at best. For those who are going to rely on the instruction manual, it might be a bit difficult. To tackle this, there are comprehensive tutorials available on internet and you can also use this. Other than that, it's hard to say that MYNT 3D Professional Painting 3D Pen does anything wrong. It is the best 3D pen for professionals. That is because it provides you with a great ergonomics and OLED display, which is very useful. Not to forget that the nozzle can also be removed for thorough cleaning to avoid any other incidents. So this brings today's video to the end. Don't forget the link to the product is in the description box below. You can easily go and click on the link to find and get your 3D pen. It is a price-friendly product with only $29 on Amazon, and you can save up to $10 on 25% discount. Thanks for watching our video.